So it's 7 o'clock in the morning. This is a Saturday morning. We're in beginning of February. Oh shoot. Stones, stones, stones. Living stones. Oh, hang on. You know, it must have been a stone. Must have been a stone. The stone doesn't fight back, so it's got to be a stone. Go. There we go. Nice. Oh, rainy. Oh, he spat it. Little bugger. Bugger. Good wee rainbow. How the heck did that get off? Well, he's munted that one in here. This is certainly a big, deep salmon hole here. I'll say just about thrown everything at it. I've thrown a few things at it, hoping that something will just take. I did have a follow from a nice trout a few minutes before, but nothing now. Got him, got him, got him. Only a small one, that's okay. It's a brownie, I think. Oh no, it might be rainy. Rainbow. Oh, nice wee rainbow. Oops. Dang it. Come here, buddy. Where are you? Nice. Oh, lovely wee rainbow. Lovely wee rainbow. Oh, you feisty little thing. You feisty wee thing. Oh, he's had a few bites on too. Yes, you have. Where are we? Settle down. There we go. Oh, beauty. Lovely wee rainbow. Just gonna hand you out of the way in a minute. Oh, get a bit better picture this way around. Look at that. Come here. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Right. I'll bring you over here, little buddy. Settle down. Settle down, little fella. Talk about feisty. Lovely with fish. Little hen. Beautiful.